Every small business has their own expenses, and these are recurring expenses on a regular, everyday basis. So it could be things that you need for your home office, it could be things that you need for your clients, it could be things you need for your employees. It can be activities, it can be restaurants, it can be services. It's a wide variety of things that you need for your small business. But instead of you waiting for those things or those services to come on sale, or looking for a coupon that matches your need, you can actually request your discounts on Savvy Perks. Let's show you how to do that. If you log into your account, the list of things that are available to you will be over here under the categories section. And then if you want something specifically, you can come up here and click on the magnifying glass. When you get to the magnifying glass, and for this example, we will use office supplies. So I will type in Staples, which is an office supply store near my house. It says, sorry, there were no results found. Well, I would like to request that retailer so that I can get discounts now from Savvy Perks. So I'm going to type in Staples, and then I'm going to jump over to Staples website, and I'm going to pull up the information I need to finish filling out that form. Now up in the corner, there are usually a store location, and the store location will be whatever is closest to you. And on this particular instant, this one on Providence Road is closest to me. So I'm going to copy this information and go back to the form so that I can post this in. And I need their phone number. That's going to be helpful to me as well. That's this phone number right here. And I can see already that this is Charlotte, North Carolina, and it's 28277 store 1223. So we need that information to fill in our form. Here's that phone information. And the zip code is 28277, and the state is North Carolina. And I'm going to do send. Awesome. That's all it needs in order for a team to then go to work finding Staples and making sure that they then become a member of Savvy Perks so you can get your regular discounts and savings at that Staples store. So that's easy. That's as easy as it is.